Okuma Radio 97.1.
Yeah.
Across the world, your full good party radio station.
Turn my radio up.
Okuma Radio 97.1. We bring on the best. Across the world, your full good party radio station.
Turn my radio up.
Okuma Radio 97.1. We bring on the best. Hey, Okuma Radio.
With the bass, pajamas live in effect, and I don't waste time on the mic with a dope rhyme. Jump to the rhythm, jump to the rhythm, jump. And I'm here to combine beats and lyrics to make you shake your pants, take a chance. Come on and dance, guys. Grab a girl, don't wait, make a twirl. It's your world and I'm just a squirrel, trying to get a nut to move your butt to the dance floor. So yo, what's up? Hands in the air, come on, say yeah. Everybody over here, everybody over there. The crowd is live and I will prove this fool. Party people in the house.
Okuma Radio 97.1. Okuma Radio 97.1.
All right, Okoma 97.1. And every NCMO will be a kwaba. And from Okoma Global Sports. So, and then if you are on the 11th of February 2022. Yes, we if you are Bujae. If you are the Bujae. Now, China Papa Fresh action, I know them say no one them can. It's a message I'm a Papa first time. Not just say, how beer will be an on-can. Then how beer will be an on-can. Say, yeah, man, and they say, yeah, fist and Papa Fresh and all bre. But then I was saying, I'm saying, what's the mayor the Toya Kakrebi? And a permit to walk a cry. And yeah, say, yeah, I'm in the tomb. Hey, okay, you man. But for the love of our country, I need the betterment of our game in Inti on Semaba. To say, I'm Mususuni Adia, say, you man, I don't know. Papa, the fresh. And we could PM work upon PC Big Field. Now, me the moon Sembeba. I don't know my editorial there. But moi moutier we cropon. Manfia monochrome aye ma bon. Eko tutu boss masa sure say bri kita se ne jankama ne ade no. Akupo nsham awie. Obe piem we bru dewa ukugwa. Edu chrome. Asesia so ne o sane akọ asene malai. The boy will cry, aha, be passe. One of the boy had a guy, no. Now, be sick of so many. A gomenya, Noaso, Drapon, a cussy, bon, a quacosomo. Now, be sick trouble comforter reaching. Yay! You know, we are heavy. And there you are, mama. Good afternoon. And then we are heavy, papa. Only test and pa. Only test, oh. But first, Andrew Dow says, he Blaster Management Committee, no. And Steven Tornado appear back home. Tornado, no, you're not home. And I'm forecast. Now, move your first appointment. I don't know for Pianca. Ghana for back as I say, move here ex footballers and come on, Fanaka. Then Steven Tornado appear. The Black Star Management Committee and the account. But enrollment on social media and become who yeah. A branch of board about Leicester City. Akora Westo Akora. Ade Mola Lukman. Ade Mola Lukman. And then Nigeria for the UVG. A branch any movie from England. I'm a body about Nigeria. And I'm some say I don't know some place there papa no ma ko Nigeria. I my here papa no ma jade fi England no ko. Ba ye die. The be pachawa ka was that the braka. Oh ba be dey. Papa come here kokwe. We be sasa dey the place say ye promo person member. We share the lights of Inaki Williams and Nico Williams. We share the on more when you imagine some Ghana crime. Just was a Ghana. What that was going to die. You try Branty Tariq Lamptey, Mohamed Salisu of Southampton. When you imagine some member, Ajia Kasa. Basha Branton did Ademola Lukman. I'm the boss of China dem. They na tanye. I did a way to call ye free. The Cosibe Posso, Bacana ye tofu go grass still. O boss angel so. I did see a year fitting shop to 2 spare parts there. The big tofu front was and son now boss angel so. I'm going to baby back room. Okay. Okay, go see up here. About baby just shut transfers over too. Yeah. That's a first area I conform about. That's why I call Kunti. Now I decided to over my gun. I conform with Siapia. You are that year near a certain a business as if what former now branching in Kura. A certain my atom O2. I think we see a piano bending Nema. They come in through Mununo. Say a conform so young Papa no. Ye kofa Ghana for na wo abrochire na ye mfa papa no. Ye se bia kekere de o maba. Agwazi abia no wen. E ja bo Crystal Palace. Yeah, kai. It's about friends, mama brain what do hu komo. But oyi issue na ye issue. Ket Zuma. Asa gragro na gragro issue na issue. Yes, I said Western for no crown, so I said Munya. Right to terminate the contract. But a Branton didn't make Antonio Acasa. And in some Antonio can make a kid, Menene. I say, it is Sabio, Ejamwa, Abu Jamwa, no Yasi Nipana. I say, we shall abuse her, of course, our English football, and I say European football. Sabio Sabu and Patu na bo England because I say they friend do attempt. They actually say why they do kwadu as adwe. They are too kwadu the man they are there. Racism of course we English football mu, European football mu. They pay for enka. Na Zuma ono na jam wa tin sikato. Then na ko kan kakra bia mo say ma fine 250,000. They will be ko di obi atem. Player Coco deep player to Watama. You see, I'm at 8 matches ban. Maybe 5 matches. They just 7 star. I see the way you treat racism of football. They go ye. It's the focus. But call Sabi and more some so. And more some in Jamwa Samson and the Chizuma Soa. Sabi HBB. And many make out to the Yaje. I tell my Jeff Quanwa by addresses. I issue no. Because you see a racism of football. Yeah. The treatment is here about Benjamin Mendy. She's in the part. It's not a black person, a black man. Zuma DH. On a jamwa could trade Jamwa to Kakra. Some would cherish more pets and interest more fan tree departments and the Asosa. And it is a bro for the Abode Braille Juma. And you knew. But you see football racism or more treated the same. Sabia Jamana, China, Tono, and the Wuya say a BBD or Bobo near dinner term. And I said the part to Bobo near dinner term. Sabia Jamano Yana. Tell Antonio the Casa answer me. It's about this uncommon of Ghana Premier League Zone 7 Epa. Weekend matches were also. And the fixtures and officials in the Bepa. And I may come on it. If you had a Samarana, Samarana, yeah. But executive producer Yura Kofi answered Bafo. Head of sports and Kofi Okorageman. Ziggy P. Tony Montana. Jonesy. Abujafo Fia. Jeff Kufu what you have coming, sir. South Papa the fresh. Also, what I say. Drop your Santi Boy Chudom alongside writer commentator. Uja Bomber Production Network or so. But then you'll be to join you live on Facebook. Join you live on Facebook. Command Radio 97.1. Also on YouTube, your Command Radio 97.1. Twitter, Instagram, yeah, at Ocommand 971. Ziggy editorial no I mean fa wo mu preku be sima be enu pe 5 minutes pe Mr. Rabi kopie mo PC Presbyterian College of Education Bickfield mo am work ya pem de amunim friend Ademi Park we a park a produce talent park we a park and yes sports also and ban athletics and ban football man for their grow super papa but they don't question just say time but baby I do not make mobile subo wow share the me park here and that we now share the current state of it why you fair you pay for more pay mu you pay for more kroma wo crap mu e mo property o e yo crap my property because I had not more than they produce stars say be ko just come to bebe fie abi siesie fie e na no mo hwehwe ha ma Ademi Park ayi akose ya aye fe Madaroma opinion leaders Uncle Gase politician be na call promise na we jane sa njiro emfa mo ho champion mo tumu na sim na mo call that person into order na mo chere say me na asimasi meja asimasi wona so ba be yo da abani say and I say e di nti na utumi be he de onu so fa jire mu mra so bia na no epanyi for Madaroma ebi asika nka me hwe anim say me de be project no me sanya nka he enti mu ba be break akra no so fast answer be tujua Ziggy fatu so na Facebook for you we share the current state of Ademi Park Jeff Mobo hey oyini jan be bia obia ubedi areho e park oyini jan eye sanka Black Star be kwa ma no ni bia commentary ni wa ha is our social where the work upon aka omkwa ma no e be fa now that sports minister could jump parliament say eyi omko kata the omko kata they say World Cup ni weather ni ade ade a ombo ekropo kra ke be fa because I no tramod na ke be fa it's Facebook for na da wolo Chapako Jeff where park Ademi Park in Ademi Park yo bo ya bo el park this ye bo ketwa she park said that the fence me found so ba be pitch na mo ba be 6 weeks me your tramodern turf no tramodern one profa ke say and he share the current state and mo bo we be outside the forest reserve na where football pitch and the German no football pitch na go be ba be yanka body be ni wom obi ba be ye wa so mane ye na wa be ye obeye so wa jato e ko 2 years November na 2 years aba e ko ka o si obi ta obi maka kire mu se me eke e de okoma fo ye ta obi a o wo ye ni ye be kan ana wa ye astrotefo na wa bu bebi ana na friend say ye mbra na ye cover ye mana e be bo aba so odo bo aba dokia Aden na odi okwa ban abro Aden never come there cause I'm a sportsman pitch the one about so baby yo sebi am a pouch o embo ya me pouch o ba say na o say na na His Excellency Nana Tankwa Akufo-Addo the kind speech on the 7th of January 2017 Jeff for senior citizens and spectators responsible citizens responsible citizens you kroma o betra be ya brigo park we park na why na sa no o say to me ya enyo se honorable wata romani diem na America sa and e ya so na America sa and yesen kwara no kwa sports e ba me fa we no to yesen kwara no kwa sport fresh kwara akwa sports em say ne kwa pe majuada na de omo ni baby kwa bobo aje omo kwase okwa man secondary school for park no makobo but where your mind dia on mine park na you call yourself honorable wa be gina nipa do manim aka kire say oh mo me 6 weeks na me de ba be ye pitch e mamo aka ya de pa e adwen papa e be bo abaso e say so talent e okrom a ye bo odwere ye bo tournament yi hwe talent na nka honorable wa ye kama aka wa no nya shama dache ufi akonya no so na akwa ye de be ka say honorable na doku asia ma agyi ne braso ano ye park we mu kwa mai ye be kai wo na mo be se kai wo sabi akwanbo no so a ye be kai wo so esan se untumi nya saade we fan to untumi nya saade onyini jan ana start here mesisi po ya bobo wo so me man kasa ma bobi me wo kwa mai be bo inter schools wa amafo 2 america na na pokunu bo amabo ene america mo to so okore mo bo amabo so the boy kwa na Jeff na the boy the picture say kire me ne echema wade medal say also yera kofituo you like pop also abebo so captain akra so folk bebo wa ha be ka koroko ene kotoko ni se dream says bebo game wa ha enti se uche park so ba be yen na ojani say ya honorable ayo fe wa minim so be che ana won hwe kura na okurofo no be fra wa ka kire o so okoma for dey say anya ye dey say ya so mo fa pictures and videos ne ka ho so mo report ya ma wa mo fa video no Ademi Park na so ba be no mo fa video ne ka ho na share the current state na wa o share na ye fa na wa relax na wa da say ye fa wo di wi na wa da minim say njuma no doors honorable njuma ne dey doors. Yes, it's our deputy trade and industry minister. Obe koha, obe tu kwa ina dia into nyabre. But time oba be se bono. Now do so be to my November 2020. Obe jina wa ene no obe se po so obe ye ewa infie no. Now nim so obe nyabra ye. Kozu nyabra nka ma o ka se 6 weeks. O ka se 6 weeks. Na de na Santiago Bernabéu kra Madrid ko mu kra ho invest over $500 million kra almost the 6 weeks they say you I don't care say what that omo renovation and all the 6 weeks na so obeya na say that confer contractor and the grid be gina so no so na sa contractor ne de ami be nyame hu o sa contractor nyame hu ye mebumba be bobo me kai pa akro farms organize tournament just say ye ba be bobo opening game get to kre ku bae amafo bae be so park we dey ye ni ebe fa na wa so bae ade papa ene hwe kakum kura mfa no kakum forest mfa no hwe esa be fence the fence afefa ho adanko dada du ni amana adanko dada du ni amana ye kai say otai honorable ye nta honorable ono ye MP ewa ha MP doesn't mean say bibi anso na so ye da bi dem ni ade wa no be kan so be ye no eno ade be say o ye we will put you on your toes we make sure say ade we ya wa ye no obepa no be correct and I say come out and come and apologize say me na me kan ye me boa me ntumi nya biem ne u sampa wa feli yen epa no ayi Ademi Park na wa feli yen mutie ni ye wa mko ka che mutie ni ye be say epa na Ademi Park na wa feli yen ono ambra auto me apologize so na nana mo panyifo kwa ma de che be serebo Ademi Park na be cast me no wada roma me ntumi nya biem mama mo saso enti mo nya obi de abana be serebo mo fama ni ye hu say ampa abana ye to ma ono because amafo gina park so I remember me gina subi obi chemeni mo kan say mo de ya de pa ba mo mpe we knew say untumi ye enti na na ye prevent say all the grade about be si wono we knew some of us we knew say untumi ye and wa ma ye nyawo we knew it say untumi ye na ma for count at the pub enti mo am support this ade ni nya na mo gu ase ma mo sa mo nko na mo ka mo mom na mo bra na mo me park no editorial for the day we dey see And you know, Papa Fresh atena say Jeff and so aha. But then you do text message WhatsApp bar Fafa 0551 66 77 55 0551 66 77 55. Now for text message and then WhatsApp Fafa and as a 0270 191 971 0270 191 971. Now so do I jinche ere afa and baby apesa o defa yes watch the waju the me park we all na besa chira ya o de afa Europe na abeko na games e so weekend ni so no o de waju jinche afa wa no so ubetumi ere aba issue say how e wa ya good dey mu na abesa e can Black Stars won say only say na watch aka won sama coach aba the technical advisor aba Black Star new management committee aba baby apesa o defa nyina no ofra waju jinche nyina ubetumi ere aba Jeff atena say Papa Fresh and Saturday, my mama kwaba. Papa Fresh, Mr. Jeff, me mama kwaba.
Okay. I also.
Okay.
Fresh they say ye ma cause. Too can only be.
Okay.
Papa, Mr. Jeff from so me who na che. Me who na cha but aba
or the block aba.
Bag and a bonnet should be
or the block.
Wa mama I check him we ada. It's me we are very shame. Mr. Jeff.
Yeah, bro.
Say we are fine.
I mean, I don't be cool.
Now but you baby are we far.
Baby.
We can am so baby who want some.
Yeah.
My mama my mama. Oh, my mama 15 minutes.
Oh, 15 minutes cry there, but also.
Okay, maybe I
want to touch on two things.
Okay.
One, Kedzuma issue.
Okay.
I think that the Western world is very, very hypocritical. I mean, so what can say be a hypocrite? Nyatrum in the Western world. I think that in your opening submission, what kind about Michael Antonio submission or making concerning what is going on with Kedzuma Sisiano. Some people are even saying it is the British media's way of trying to cover what is happening with Mason Greenwood. So they are trying to cover with Kedzuma. But so what's your situation now? I'm not justifying what he did. Yes, the England Oman biya nso wɔ ne mmara nti mmara ne na wabuso ɛna what ne ready. But I feel say senior what ne ready no, the amount of justice that is being served for the crime nearby and disproportionate. And I feel say the white people in the Western world are being very, very hypocritical. How do you choose which animal to protect and which animal to abuse? Why am I saying this? So watch a horse racing that, AK.
Yeah.
Watch a horse racing that.
Pa.
So who say jockeys need to horse racing? So what is happening? Wobble horses. Just to get them to win a horse race. I know any animal abuse in Ibi. And then you find people of high society. So when top horse races need that, high class people, people who are supposed to be opinion leaders near they, in town or in a country, won't walk by those horse races because to own a horse, horses are very expensive animals. And so we'll be go and we are just to win a race. And only the one consider and say animal abuse because it is something they're excited about, because it's something that pleases them. So how do you choose which animal to abuse and which one to protect? So I say some of these hypocrisies should be done away with. I'm very sure say if it was a white player, I'm not sure say they would try and deal with him as they are dealing now. Another very hypocritical entity I talk about will be Adidas. Adidas are saying say they've cancelled Kedzuma's sponsorship deal because of what happened. But Adidas has a whole brand that is made from kangaroo skin.
Yeah.
They sanction for kangaroos to be killed, so that they will use their hide for now that product line. So again, I'm asking, when do you decide or how do you decide which animals are worth protecting and which animals are worth killing for your own profiteering? So I say, what is going on in I say bibi na what pay scapegoat be na what they a brand ere trust keke na ejamano butu no na we wu ana say den I mean, there are certain things people just try to make a big fuss out of it. Well, if it's against the laws of your land, fine, fine him, fine. But I mean, this kind of hullabaloo, ninyina for this act. Funny story. Mekai time na me na bia amekufuti ase no. Na orema na kraman aduan. Na ba ku redi agya ba ko. Na senior Kezuma dia no dey say bo kraman he. Tro na ko. Na me cousin ba ko ka say oh mama ade aye de o abrochira nka obechire watum animal abuse. What's a ho chia na da abrofo no kraman e wonde. Abrofo no kraman e wonde. Na me na wato me kraman na me manadua na me bro de kakra also way. Or not to say we condone such behavior, but I think the force being met with the actions in here disproportionate, and players and especially black players should stand up and speak, because even when there are racial abuses, when there are incidents of racist abuse, Premiership nimu, sanka say and anka we take action. I am sure say anka racism in football anka echo down. I know, say it can't be eradicated totally, but I'm very sure, say if this was the action taken for any offender, anka by now, Bibia to echa. Luis Suarez racially abused Patrice Evra. I'm sure, say if they had approached it like this, I'm not sure, say anka any racist incident may happen in football. But then again, we are still in 2022, and you find these things happening, and then this is what the English and the world media decide to focus on. I mean, SFM kakra. Let's see the end of this. For me, I feel say if I was Kezuma, I'll be preparing. I won't even wait for the teams to terminate my career. I'll be preparing to quit. Look, they've made enough money to live well for the rest of their lives. This kind of hypocrisy, for me, this was the main issue until me studio have back aside, because near question what I've been reading in the tabloids near the but me do hano. I think say now we pictures, be videos, be of Ademin Park.
No. Ziggy, Masani will be a Mazigi or the better so before.
Yeah.
They were now from Bible tournament.
Yeah.
Now, occurring with the enemy 2 years who go door park and no CC so.
Yeah.
Then after CC so we now. Yeah, opening game and what the information by so what is CC park and then when German I said no some pictures as Ziggy be drop it now at your phones and at your phones no. And what we say, and over to me join live on Facebook, Okuman Radio 97.1, Okuman Radio 97.1. Na ni ayeke enyo bosire muka anase bibi anase obi tangobi ubehu they na park na te first ansa na nei adanga be se no and so them say Ziggy dey ato that my players say warm up na do park no so nyina ni nyina look at it na nei jama na be se no na say
the last time I met Ademin Park would be baby 2000 and 1999. That was the last time. That was the last time I met Ademin Park, and the Ademin Park. So me, I'm surprised I'm seeing all of this, honestly, because the Ademin Park that I remember, it was almost an iconic place when you talk about Ekroponha.
Yeah.
A lot of legends from Ekroponha, Effie's Park, and also when you talk about people like The Boy. When you talk about people like Akulizi, when you talk about Spema, young boys, reggae no money or quarry no money, Nanam Fujo no money. All those boys are when Diagore Siakang, Papa was her park. No, those days say sports soon. Na say ebe koso Ademin Park. Now him say yedu akesim. Unim say uko ebi inter colleges uko PTC. For no against other colleges around the country, it was like the Olympics for us. So to see Ademin Park in this sort of sorry state, SFM Kakra. I'm sure say it's in the plans of the authorities. Wabaye hu bibri. at a certain point. Na say wobe hu bibi anka ya best say 1 year no sisi because we did I know you din kakra.
Okay, I know Jeff Akufo-Boateng ano de nsem kakra no so wono e dey to ya na say why set up no order that Jeff you know why set up no okay bo bi da chente na do be fa me pa and Jeff and so and on into more Facebook no bon brana I think 2020 November na ba be tournament park iso na yeru CC park iso na o hye mabunu ahofama wa de ba boa me CC park iso friends twa ahofama mabunu e de ya dwuman na CC pitch ni wie zigi fa ba ko na place net so no to CC pitch wie na yeru tournament ya bo opening game we ne betoa about over 20 games ever born so then you come in as an MP with the greatest of respect honorable you come in and tell us that ube say CC pitch no na ye man abeyen obeye with the 6 weeks beye 6 weeks so the pay na ye jama wa adeko 2 years eja park kama na say eja park honorable obaboboa ka obe ni ayi oba obobo anti Facebook for no this was a car for you before and here bobo tournament we say place title here tournament okoro mu di anim ka ye ball park we hu akro farm so boy answer what the door park ne be do sa level we na honorable amadokia baba ka kire nse oba beye ne waja ma na esa na ma me di hu ya no ka manfo ball ho sa manfo nkumofra ne mu panfo eyi wo si wo se wo be boa no wasese park yi na wo ye ya be du sa level we na yetumi boso ball na baba ka kire yense oba no tramodi na ujai na ekwesa zegi for the current state no to ma me di mo aboda so twen we bra na wo siesi park na fu ko on se covid by for 1 year na mobo. What I say? It's year November 2020. So let's play a tournament. Sunny Bear, be out to Africa. Camp a yini idea. Down no. Ye see a ferry. Uso baby sees ya. It's in where Brian was see parking the food for 1 year. No one know. Anna a crew farm. So let's organize a tournament. Bravo pre machines some quite more than 7 would be so. More way back now say cause no grass and any. Now say ya what to do ya the be do sale over now. If you ubeje so be ya. Obi aba any time procura na be di yen. Ubeje so be ya hwe. Facebook for no share the current state of Ademi Park. Our own. Ya dio anya yanga ya ne me kan akuape no bi. Yanga ya ne okuape manfo and the croponfo. Yanga ya park enyo obede. Ya park. Wa utie me no park woni ma Ademi Park a woni ni ama akoso wo ho. Enka ya bobrom. Yebo brom press before you organize that crew farms or organ. Yebo brom. Na monim talent na was our pitch so. Then you will sit down unconcerned. Better na zo any same pin enya na sem. You sit down unconcerned. If that's in that 2 years there we ye more ball hai. Anka ye na ke ball so. Ngan talent one talent kra and yini pre ya na one player nya wom and ne yer turn akwa abruchira. Say me sika na get you from bibi okruma and also kodu no bibi ba ne sema otumi manage MCC okrum. Then we sit down unconcerned. We don't put anybody, we don't ask questions, we don't demand answers. Now we feel say they are honorables. Into say ja one pema on keke because they were honorables indeed. No, they must be accountable to us because you need voting man. So you want to remember keke and make promises, empty promises, then you go. Then the following year you come back and tell us that we should vote for you again. No, it wouldn't happen. It wouldn't happen. Because I can 1 month to election. And I say, 1 year over Bayer Park until 1 to Obama na 1 to Obama we year 2 years. What have you done? Oh, that park and also nothing. Then you think say, yes, somebody rally behind you, pamper you, sit down unconcerned. That's how the way you console. No. And it's in the media no. It's in the one classify the media as a fit arm. And I say, okay, the fourth arm of government. The fourth arm of government. So we will put you on your toes. We will check you. We will check you, the media. Anything you happen. Until no more, we feel uncomfortable. We cry a prelims. If you do the right thing, you will go abaso. If you do the right thing, you will go abaso. If you do the right thing, you will go abaso. You know, so you need to be brave. Yes, you can wear some. Say wrong thing, oh, yeah, so my young can wear some. Because I'm a sportsman, me check my talent and go waste the sake. And go waste, because what developers are pitch here, only talent ever produce. Because, okay, so yeah. Your friend then we be to America house we be ball so be volleyball and you was basketball na do be to menya ball only talent be produce hwe ma fo no bre godfather na na mo godfather or do park yes park or do park na wan yes park no bobo bazu babe god awado kia ya obi honorable adaroma awie ma minchi awo minister obeba weekend na Friday you were town and you were constituency we ba ntuba na what about my report no one for create once and amount no one chire say me eki na me see park in brana be yes everyone say one here many eki me obia but I'm doing my work. I'm being responsible. So the right thing must be done. Me obia but the right thing must be done. We honorable. We on meaning so betima yama na bro so minimum meaning with the experience I gather, meaning so bit my yamana broso. So no po adaroma. Ana bana wabe. Why? Means we men come out to meetum. Now I go James and men kwen Debbie. Meaning so be. So you must come and fix it. Well, politicians I'm going to fix our attitude first. Attitude didn't be an attitude in. So you should fix our attitude first. Or attitude in. Yaman said I found that's your attitude. Yaman found because I found one who made your park and Papa Fresh, Mama
Diamond.
Can be for the park.
Diamond, my men now because this editorial or the abano. I think say your cost right in this year in Puntu ever buy important and Honorable Daniel Nanado Kenneth ayo create DC or journey feed in Facebook. Or journey feed in Facebook or share the life.
Okay.
And yes, Honorable. Yes, honorable. On it, yeah, my main casa na on my boy. Pitch way, one of the pitches, okay.
I mean, honorable.
Honorable,
yes,
okay, feed in the life.
Yes, my
life. And I think say, okay, me Mekaya, maybe I'm was station back. I think say, my bear commentary, and yeah, back I think say, Bruno. Games are more born a crop. My bear commentary be bring on that pitch, so and stage a pitch no AK. I think say very bad because make a score FC near Arsenal with NC crab a ball game.
Sure.
Me baby. And I think say one of the best pitches you can say equiapman just ne kesi ni bibia no etimi boa ma gudi e den ekwedenim and pictures are all den e na wie I think say miracle because as you can say district no I think say niema bi wo ho a Eboama district near them, etimi ekonanim, and one of these things air sports. And as a district, now say and name remo abano any you are doing is Obeboama sports etimi ekonanim, and Obeko baby bebre I say pitches no ye bebre the ama other district by as a yenhano no niema nkwe yesa man eke.
Friends working
yes.
Honorable MC Edema equipping off.
Yes.
Honorable MC Edema equipping off. You're a mesak. Yewra Mesak. Barema Esedu Labi.
Honorable.
On the cry, Mr. Yes.
Okay.
I'm in chow ye.
Yes.
Micha no umbo abasun so unuma power ye okaba. But park no. Honorable Mesak. Honorable Amadukia. Park no.
Yes.
Yo.
So I think say okay, can empanyfo ehwe ebi num nso etie na amane bone be ko na ye besere empanyfo say ye important ha no ade ba ko hian e ya gudie football because wo hwe inter school say course we area mu ha even baby a ye benya si aka akra ya na ho ayedin de amayen and from that junior level no na betimi anya apabna na say benya omo betimi aboa ye can say ye national teams no because na bra ye bra nyina your national team na say betimi build a team near the akwayanim eno ebi started from schools and say na junior high school for to me nya baby in Siakan countum secondary school for there. I think say very bad. And that pitch in the honorable Eden in Sako kan dey ye best re. E was say at least otumi ekọ abamu oni mpanfo dinsa so na artificial pitches ayeye ye de ama district no e was say nya bi
anapena ye KB de ba ko kire me a
yes
echena His Excellency
Okubiano
Nana do dan kwaku fa omko kate so no masi ba ko obo me kwawu oni ewura I think MP Price MP and ekọ no makọ kate so no masi ba ko ndi ye
was say ba
ye anka bibia da clear
land bibia fe ni ekoto asase
you kwa buto asase akobu
obi da because that pitch ni minim ma koso akwa da bia ni wa
about Facebook I say Nana Kwesi Poku is that at the me park obisa is that at the me park there's only park no
okay ade ba ko ma uni say wo de nia pitch no how aye no kra wo de masabe nantwi anaso odwanso
on didi
because there's no way say onu kra aduane obedidi anaso obedi anyankwa no kra ohun ni say nya de obenya say aduane no that pitch no so because bibia say wo pitch no so and this is the one of the best pitches me mabe comment bebre wo so and say me no ka say pitch no stage e wo mu ne dey I think say very bad so honorable den nsa be kan dey e was honorable born no modern ye den etotu niema because 6 weeks dey na nka minim say e be den kakra by all my 6 weeks obetimi dey pitch no by next 2 years entimi ye so I think say okay your best honorable your best no just say
who is your MP there? Last week I visited the town. I really like the place. Obi so back room no ne ji kroma is anka wa bay na nke bia edu weekend e bobo wa ga for baba
I think say ade ba ko emma ye nyina ka bom ye di agudi ana say football ni aye kan eno na emma ye den ye nka bom eba chese eno ye nim say we eye sabia igbeni ana say we frafra no ye nyina bom adi da agro no and I think say also honorable etimi tutu ne emma ye
Oti Frank on Facebook was
yes.
I was the workers leader.
Yes.
As my phone no mo ye Juma Park no so na nya. No dumb no.
Because I dey prepare dia be games na say honorable waba say ye be siesie no. Enti moma e kwan na munya mu game no mpa ba fufu nkosi akan. Na say na pitch no da so da ho say dia. I think say very bad and ye best other MPs any DCs no. I think say aban ne dia na say omampanyi dia wasi na adwen pi so obebo am agudi atimi akonanim. Eti pitches no ono eye no omo manu enu dwam no mo pribi emre mo potem eke omo pribi emre yen because yen so sabe yen nuanom ne ye ma I think say omo so ebia no be talent eye agudi ana say football enti say no nya ba bi nsi akan that talent de nya de bedadi enti honorable Daniel Kenneth enso ehwe yen no I think say honorable Okre district yen so boy ni yensan kabi
musumu ni bi o mo dey capture budget mu okay Abril Park no Abril Park no
okay
ya capture our budget mu finance minister area to just afi
yeah mon pa se
beba afi
but mo dey dey honorable to nieba
honorable Amadu Kuya honorable Nana Amadu Kuya
because Nanado Kenneth shoyi etie ye ne dey I think
on the minute so be
I think say on honorable Nana Mabe Kasama bibia betuto di enkopem say bia afi we be kwa na wie na we say eke efa ne nso agudi e no so ne yadigi ani because okoma ba eye kropon hanum na so akuapem hanum na I think say sports da bia ye ginam so I think say games bi nso ekoso e wo hanum e betimi aboa na no ya na you can say Division 1 game and as a playoff eba so Del Sports Stadium. Enti yenya pitch esumbu kakra. And I think say I don't know. Minim o my Ghana how an yemako because Kofodi Sports Stadium the same thing. Tama contract and share juma say ko je juma na to. Me 3 days yo said aben and a contract and ya bonechi ama wasan so ani niema de aba say obeye stadium no. I think say very bad so I don't know. Say problem ni fee you can say sika asem ana say bibidia because so all the contract mo be I think say also to me provided no betimi ade den ni sika no no so the man no de aye adwuma so I think say honorable omo ye adwuma omo bo adwuma den because ohwe ne ma ekoso a omo bo adwuma na I think say omo the pitches and I say football ho akade enso kan ho a ebebo ama aye district no so atimi akona no make ma men ka bi kakra emfanfa abrante I think say Kezuma.
Okay, my message when you na wa be Zuma there na just say mama obe akabe 9 minutes na just say but obe na emfa phone go. We say hi, I'm Furnaces from Adoso. I was there. Just a brand you see park in no all the way from Adoso be boy. Yes. So we fear Adoso aba be boy. Ne bojane say ya odi wanre ho. Nana Kweku si there. I say good work this afternoon. And also the day on Facebook. Okay. Nana Poku Diana Makai. Oti Frank, I say Okore was our coordinator. Yes, a brand almost see soon. I want to committee na no Okore and a coordinator making sure say you be see page. Nana Bright, I say Kotoko Dreams and Hearts have played and trained on this before. Yes, this is bad.
Just almost bahabe bomb we training with that pitches because a very big food.
Yes. Yeah, simple but first. Okay. Shaibu James Avenue. So last week I visited the town. I really like the place. Who is the MP? Okay. And Anama Dukia. Honorable Nanama Dukia Siameche. Yes, on Yeneba. I don't know. Okay. Messages and others. But first, I mean, one seminar.
I think Jeff Akawi Brady Afa Ketizuma. Saying and I think very bad because we share a couple of incidents. I see a war. You can say we are see for blacks and whites. Now I think say very bad. Now as at now, cry ye move bebre no. One say still na the intimi nyambra papa bi and function that racism issue no because a couple of you can say incident bebre sisi obeka mra owura ndin ede George Oponwia eje that you can say world best player no. Now we are the better just say even the team are no born to cry because all black ninty some of the players who cry doesn't want to do anything with him again because now they thought say oye tuntum no deserve so beje best player and I think say very bad enti bepum ene wo hwe kwan o mu treat the blacks na e wa ma no ne dia I think say okay the only thing blacks in betimi and say ye be hwe hu yi I think say no one was say because they are not ready. So betimi ahye mra bia e betimi akoatia that racism and as a racist ekos we football mu because bebre abesisi yenim ensem akoko okoso ewo games bebre mu yenim ekwan enam so a ye kan say Zinedine Zidane ne ho nsem ekopem akwa we yenim ensem bebre efa because sabe nipa ni aginamo obi aginamo ne na na ofie yes emra oho emra o babia ebinum emra no different from others but se obi ni na aginamo edi agro kakra bi na se no akofa nsem bebre e dey about to the extent say ne brand and as impo sponsorship onu kita nyina no ya hwere ne dia I think say very bad e dey ma you can say English football and omo ya set example bi omo ya asset niema bi a I think say emwa ma agudie na ntimi enkwenanim and mind them sponsorship omu nyanom most of them bebre ni nyina nya abrofo sponsorship and omu kita enkwa no omu kita other blacks and Jeff making some submission be about Adidas wo even Adidas logo ni na asefo okra even aboa ye ne ho you can say ne video no eno na adam and as a sponsorship deal and as company wo yes ade na say enne obi hu akoka na say ne sponsorship kakra mo so modem na che say ahwe ne nsade I think say very bad and okay I think say mpanfo e wo so mo gu ne ma hwe Messi Greenwood yi a etimi eto dwa yi ya ma branch ani bo but oko you can say Benjamin Mendy or Man City because all ye tuntum nti so na guy no eda so e wo police for eden ekukum but Messi Greenwood ya man go ahead simple and share cry United next game no and simple following weeks no betimi adwane Manchester United ono so ne de abuse ye abuse sabe ne de no po ni nipa desani eno aburu obi ba pasa enumpo yamani bill and woshe ekwanya yedi Benjamin Mendy faso abranti a allegedly yesi wako rape ne dia ne so yenya hu se no kra na asa enya no kra agise court ne be kire ne dia nimpo yema ni bill onkum nipa ayu but yesi wako rape no yema ni bill and Greenwood ono akọ
the same incident na Greenwood dey no cause
yes
obono
sign for so no ne yes I think say no so ye the same incident enti say ba ko yama ni bill na ba ko da so dam na so obi ne na gina mo ane pet edi agro kakra na say eke sabe abobo bi akoba mu a we ye I think say very bad and England for no mo hwe bi ye because almost set example bi a I think say emri bi bedu a one hwe ya na blacks ne kra be form one adwen and I think say I say football federation na dey ba ko me akra say eke so wo share television now share premiership na wo dey hwe be e om dey say no to racism nation wo ni papa omo tron di niam bi fifam enti wo say omo bo kokko say mpo okwayi obi so enipa tuntum a sabe e betimi atwon aso no and asi bebrei obeke abranti onu sina kan no sina kan edma Juventus this black Nanza was back to Juventus or Paris Saint-Germain. That young guy no.
Zakaria.
No. That young guy. Oko she go.
My skin.
Eko she go. Eko celebrate here. Ewo ye can say opponent team no supporters enim. Amomu didi na temper sa to the sense say ni team no born crack captain. Eye say et is dia be a branch and a crown of us year celebration and yet amomu yi guy need to me no na so na guy no ekwadwan Paris Saint-Germain was back to Juventus and I think say very bad and ye sani ma ye yi ni nyina fi ye gudie no mu de I think say ebedu baabi one hwe ana game no how ankrofo ani je wo na ebeba fam na eba fam so de na sponsorship na eden eke na no na eden abu akam no I think say
very bad ma phone lines na to aso na ye na sorry bre no ekwa na eko 0551 66 77 55 0551 66 77 55 ubetima fraba na so no adwenche also wetimi ere aba da mi park yi wo sound so na racism ekoso we football many abro fana so mayi o mani e dey fiso no ubetimi so a che wadwen e wo ho 0551 66 77 55 mami fu bi wa hello
Hello,
good afternoon. Bacho dini baby afrefi.
But you're very connected from Adolph.
Okay, my you.
But Kazuma case, I mean, Eto Fios, Taman over Barcelona. Omu and become Omu Bentini. It's never had a cat 2-1. Obey go. I bet you go like I say, we have 10. Almost for 4 matches. And I don't know, I'll be different and Abrapuni will be different. Now, for your pay. Who will be me? Who can you also pay? Obama Brunia. We are no mobile. But I'm asking you, my family.
Yeah, I see in your sound so Utimi Affair, Ubetima Fraba 0551 667755. 0551 667755. Where the message about see good afternoon stuff. It's because the influential and insult to the guys are too much. So better we put a stop to it, and by so they won't wait to come home to play for the nation. Richard inside Nwasu City, Udumase. Also the need about. Hello. Good afternoon, Bacho. Dini baby Afrefi.
Good afternoon.
Bajo Frefi. Pram. Okay. My intio fi pram.
Before this time, then don't pay some. Then no bad money from money in 133. I was saying your tea quite in bomb name cool.
Oh, Debbie. Coffee.
Because I'm paying them.
Way below the belt.
And they come here when you come here.
Debbie, coffee, Debbie. Why? Okay. And then coffee from Pram. I don't know, so then they have by say. And everyone fresh use that one for the bro.
I think say okay, do baby na I say just afono ye bisa because ya na I yeah brown the cancer and I think say was say emra eba because I check emra twemu dada sempo racism on some na asefo yi o hwe kwan a even say bibini ni broni nya samo wa brochi kra ye treaty ni mienu no I think say very bad and I think say abrofo no entimi ye say yenkwa bi before betimi aden atena na say yenkwa betimi anante no o say yetu kwan and omonso yetu kwan ba ye mamu ha and ekoba say yehu bibini a ekwan a ye fa so treaty no na say emwade I think say ebedu baabi no na ne aye brown e kan wan hwe ya na obi koshia broni bi na bi a ode aba bi aboni tirim say abrofo sisi before by ni say saade na e say de ekwoso nti I think say say racist ne de yetimi pemra bi yetimi pemra te say ne aye kan say abrofo na ye na human right ne na asefo no I think say racist nso say utimi edidi obi atem so no so eye tuntum a ana say ono so ne color different I think say ono so no be as who abuse ne right no because ono enye ne ono na ebo ne ho nyankopon ya na ebo no nti onim ekwan a nyankopon fa so ebo no tuntum nyamena na enim so there's no way say obi tuntum anasa ne color no betimi adidi na atem and I think say we say emra bi aba eke
okay our friend my for Ghana Premier League fixtures weekend the abekoso no enso emfan tudwa ene 3 p.m. Brekum Chelsea at Tenefio Golden City Park. No, so Bechem United and so to Brekum Chelsea and Bechem United. And so where Bruno Derby, yes, I bet you at 3 p.m. and then Pepe Golden City Park. Sansona 1 2 and that channel Asante Koroko at Tenefie Kumasi Babayara 3 p.m. No, so Accra Lions. And so to my ball, we know for the Kotoko. Kotoko, any Accra Lions, and so ever ball, and also any gamer, able to me at 2 jump. Other matches in Nini, Mediama, and so Kwasiada, any Dreams FC, Ebo, Takwa, Akun Park, Mediama, any Dreams FC, Samson, Bobuku, and the Great Olympics, any Elmina Sharks, ever ball, Great Olympics, any Elmina Sharks, and so ever ball, Wafa, West African Football Academy, Abetana, Sugakope. Now, also any Karela United. Etumabo, and also a matcha. Ebe to draw RTU. Kwasiada Etenefio Tamale. No, so any hat to fool. Etumabo, our friends, a big
I think say Bakwa Mekan was some kakra Bruno Derby no because one of the biggest derbies Ghana football mu because oko Bruno no I think say omo produce teams bebre and Brekum Chelsea and Bechem United boy I think say a big game because over can now Bechem United echo Adriana echo share Adriana and I think say no na so be cry my Adriana be lose to Dreams e wa no no ye pamo coach Asarbedi ako and I think say this game no big one for Brekum Chelsea because season in man ko yes I am for my Brekum Chelsea and playing against a team and didn't be Bechem United omotoso mienu Ghana Premier League no I think say a very big game and this year no Bechem United away performance no idea e was show kakra especially so omo bono ewo omo terrain mu ono ye can say Brekum and say sunyan ho na I think say modern boy ekwanum and you person who a very fantastic game and and AK who push me the man aqua and I think say looking at performance at Bechem United Denedy of late almost to Ghana Premier League no I think say Omanya Krombenya draw that game no and Asante Koroko Accra Lions for the Makotoko on be winning game because lose to I can say Elmina Sharks are no more modern ball film and I think say Kotoko and winning game we pressure and no bad think Accra has a full problem the AK
out of Fuku away on the RTU
a game by I think say as for no say and game bia because
David
and yet ball no bebo because Oshe team has a focus modern born of them Makanda say coach players no to man ebroso and Osha even selection no be no cry has coach no na make na asem selection no be cry no or to me hear mistakes be brain e was selection because what sha brand ni din ni ansa botwi there's no way say ubetimi abenche Frederick ansa botwi na wa Salim Adams and as no there's no way because there's a guy who to me pick here before say House of Folk we premiership no last season no this is the same Ansabucha guy no more than bo extra ni no ni neti and na ebo mfimfini one mo Edma House of Folk and neti now oni obiem so I think say anke was say ni Ansabucha no etimi ye adwuma no de ma House of Folk but now coach no are relegating it to the bench and no man House of Folk utum say mfimfini we ntimi move enko and attack one so I think say who was striker to say Kofi Kojia ono ashe goals mako and song 7 you only the league table no our top scorer in chart no washe 8 goals na so wo Kofi Kojia ono ashe 7 goals and I don't think say team be oye serious and as a manager be oye serious no ebe bench that striker no ayusu nia ono wo just a goal Obeke Abrante ni din I think has striker second striker na say ono na ebo no
Obin
Junior wa share just a go na no has na ebo kwa ni din e de Kinfasa ebo e no ono share the only goal season ni nyina wa share 1 goal and so wo Kofi Koji na say ono ase 7 goals I don't think say serious coach bia e de sa player no better chain abon ono share 1 goal no and I think say coach no I also to name here because pressure there ba ya tete coaches be bro mudin abetodwa and I think say a team like House of Folk no
tete coaches
and fan won say okay waji league in the last season this season enko year
Di Matteo G Champions League Chelsea crowd
am I no this is enko year I think say one year na mostly and I say ni through year say Kotoko Etchin has mbe 10 points no and no crown supporters need to crown then as a
supporters no
yes because team and I one in April now so no new coach wo dada or no new coach and on no 10 points or 10 points anti say be we league nas and I say it do infinity baby now say has either so da Kotoko 10 points I think the pressure now no bedding. Enti on our so in the selection onya ni ye. And supporters ni be brilliant so one can say players no all my idea on G league no last season no. As a coach no eto new ones ni where you me nyina dey sin chen. Not say be on performance na enkwani but new ones no and oye match am akwa but still na emfa because o hwe players a coach na introduce on bebre na. I think say makoma be miensa bi pe and o hwe guy no no ball right back ten na Otimi ball central defense no
James Onu
ono eye player ono efi amofra num no ono dwane team no and wo hwa Salim Adams and the only player yet to na as an modern money den e wanim kakra
is awako kura wo form
form awako modern ball so ani wo hwa ne performance e wo has teams games ni nyina mu a e wo fam and I think so on deserve 90 minutes football and I think coach na was say Otimi go back to old players no mutimi ya adwuma no Edema House of Folk.
Okay, I know your Baba Fresh. Then somebody to draw the Ghana Premier League home weekend and also a bit to draw. I don't call my fancy, and you have draw the banner fin so no. BBB update be a Ghana Premier League, English Premier League, Spanish La Liga, German Bundesliga, and I feel Italian Serie A, French League 1. Nina no so no, ya the one update, and I feel so one man a bunina, Baba Paul. Now so one who near call any day back. Mr. Ademi Park, no, yes. Hashtag let's fix Ademi Park. Hashtag let's fix Ademi Park. That feels so no into me and call him. Timony solid. Yura KB. Kofi Anson powerful executive producer. Mendana Sierra Sports. Nana Kofi Okotana Kropia Sante. The writer commentator. I feel so DJ Ziggy Abrahama ne bano no ene yakwe mutu na se me ne chewu ene mama na gware Ziggy also mamenda wase papa se ne obo ma social media and so etimi etwe good ya Tony Montana and so na boy me chidom sound so na DJ Vibes and so etimi a boy ote Jeff Akufu Boateng oteneka ene ifia me sorpe me ne no match pa zene Jeff onye wo ma point chain Papa the fresh and some what in so to na numutum I didn't say mu and so it me ba you ko minchi abana mama yes mama nkasa mama heavy minchi na afin so no madam nyameche ono ura the governor yes musumu tie show no na minchi amopa me ba na che but me pebre na maba na bibi anso na kama obi sanso na kosia na afin abana bar gifty munyina no minchi amo awie papa agnes ofori wedu agi madam for papa no o papa film ma me ma e shedin enu ana papa film power fresh abayo kama sa enu ana papa film kama pa
yeah man shedin
yes
man ye busuafo nyina I think say edu this age eke ya na niema bebre etimi adwendwen bebre etimi Tony pass edu this stage because me my family will be plenty.
Yes.
I think say Edding pa go titiri ne say and I say especially say nipa na bia obo wo bibia mu no my ya na no yes
Edding into no agi era me asa na me friend area Zera we po be finere mi ko tra ne cha krokro na make sure so be didi na I was be there by ma krokro dia and dey cause me ma me oba ha nti bi ana obi ma me be ma dia fine Banner macro dia well fresh yes Zagi my mama said they only Paul Brown yes Paul Brown kwampo munyina Saba mo Rebecca mo na sister Julie munyina be ma wo said bibi abai fine ya me ne yene enti de dwuma de nyina abesi me din ene na kwa me ampon said with my friend AK a man nyina AK and so enemy usia me no ambo me AK antwa na manfiu enti enemy see 18 years to 35 a man no mumia AK na bibi aso etimi ay kama eti akwai weekend you enjoy na wahwini wan boko ayie wan boko wedding ne party na de no aya na mo hwe mo si enti na efia da boja ye ana yenso no yetimi ade ba enti no over to 2 years wala eti ene si na fe jumedi aka na etima to so enya me pa ejuada enso no yesan so ebehia na command global sports yenso yetimi area ba muchum ka